The civil services examination is one of the toughest and most prestigious exams in India. It consists of 3 stages: preliminary, mains, and interview. Clearing this exam requires hard work, dedication, and a well-planned strategy. In this script, we will discuss some tips and tricks on how to clear the civil services exam in India. Preparation strategy. 1. Understand the exam pattern. The first step in your preparation should be to understand the exam pattern. The preliminary exam consists of 2 objective-type papers, while the mains exam consists of 9 descriptive papers. The interview round is the final stage of the exam. 2. Prepare a study plan. Once you understand the exam pattern, prepare a study plan. Divide your time for each subject and stick to the schedule. You can also create a weekly or monthly plan to track your progress. 3. Choose the right study material. There are numerous books and study materials available in the market. Choose the ones that are recommended by experts and have a good reputation. NCERT textbooks are a good starting point for building a strong foundation. 4. Join a coaching institute. If you need extra help, you can join a coaching institute. Choose a reputed institute with experienced faculty members. Coaching institutes can help you with exam-specific strategies and provide you with mock tests. 5. Practice mock tests. Practice is the key to success in the civil services exam. Take as many mock tests as possible. Mock tests will help you understand the exam pattern, improve your time management skills, and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Subject-wise preparation. 1. General studies. General studies is the most important subject in the civil services exam. It covers a wide range of topics, including current affairs, history, geography, economics, and polity. Read newspapers, watch news channels, and keep yourself updated with the latest happenings. 2. Indian polity. Indian polity is an important part of general studies. Read the Indian Constitution and understand the various articles and provisions. Focus on topics such as fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, and the political system of India. 3. Indian economy. Indian economy is another important part of general studies. Read books on Indian economy and focus on topics such as economic development, poverty, and inflation. 4. History. History is an important part of general studies. Focus on topics such as ancient and medieval history, modern Indian history, and world history. Read NCERT textbooks and other reference books. 5. Geography. Geography is another important part of general studies. Focus on topics such as physical geography, human geography, and economic geography. 6. Optional subject. Choose an optional subject that you are comfortable with. Choose a subject that you have studied in your graduation or post-graduation. Read books and practice mock tests for the optional subject. Tips for the interview round. 1. Be confident. The interview round is the final stage of the exam. Be confident and speak clearly. 2. Know your subject. Be well prepared with your subject. Revise the important topics in current affairs. 3. Be honest. Be honest in your answers. If you don't know the answer to a question, say so. 4. Dress appropriately. Dress appropriately for the interview. Wear formal clothes and maintain good hygiene. Conclusion. Clearing the civil services exam in India requires hard work, dedication, and a well-planned strategy. Understand the exam pattern, prepare a study plan, choose the right study material, practice mock tests, and focus on each subject. Be confident, well-prepared, and honest in the interview round.